Now coming to time frames. Time frames are very important and the most underrated, um, I would say, instrument in the trading platform or a charting platform. Why I'm saying underrated? Because we have seen the retail investors or the traders, they use multiple time frames. You can see people investing and using daily time frames, then switching to 4 hours time frames, then again switching to weekly time frames, and again switching to 15 minutes time frames. So if anyone keeps on changing the time frames, the entire logic, the entire concept, or the entire way of analyzing a particular stock would be improper. So I would like you to stick on only one time frame out of this. If you're planning to take a trade and sell it off within a week or two, I suggest you to take 1 hour time frame. If you want to hold a stock for at least 2 or 3 months, I would like to request you to only stick to 1 day time frames and not worry about the other time frames. Now if you go to 4 hour time frame, it can be either used for investors or traders who wants to at least keep a stock for minimum of 1 month. So this time frame also, actually I like this particular time frame, the 4 hour time frame. Not many people use 4 hours time frame, but you can use the 4 hour time frame instead of 1 day. um, so yeah, just to recap, we have different time frames. We have the time frames in seconds, we have in minutes, for example 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 15 minutes. 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frames are mostly used for intraday, but since we are focusing only on positional trading or investment, we are only going to stick on 1 hour, 1 day, and 4 hours time frame. Now coming to the timeline you have set for a particular stock to be sold off, you can use 1 hour time frame, it's fine, but your intention has to be to sell it off within a week or two. If you use 1 day or 4 hour time frame, your intention has to be keep it for a month or more than that. We are not going to discuss about weekly time frames as of now, because these weekly time frames are gives us very less information and less trades, because a week data are integrated in a form of candle in the weekly time frame. So since in weekly time frames we might get very less trades, so we'll concentrate only on these particular time frames.